Dani. Today, I'll show you something amazing from the Quran. Two seas meet, but they don't mix. Allah says in Surah Ar-Rahman, He released the two seas, meeting side by side. Between them is a barrier they do not cross. Isn't that incredible? In the real ocean, some waters touch, but stay separate. One side is darker, the other lighter. Allah made a boundary between them. Science says it happens because the two waters have different densities, different salt levels and temperatures. That creates a natural invisible wall, just like Allah told us. Let's try a small experiment to see this miracle at home. Step 1. Make blue salt water and pour it into a jar. Step 2. Take clear fresh water and pour it slowly on top. Watch carefully. Look, they stay separate. Subhanallah. Just like He set boundaries in the sea, Allah gives us boundaries to guide and protect us. If you want more Quran plus science experiments with me, subscribe to RhymeTimeKids.